Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, here I am with one more interesting example of board mass. 2 multiplied by curly braces 25 multiplied by square bracket into the bracket 113 minus 9 plus 4 divided by 2 into 13 bracket close bracket close bracket close. Then what to do? Right, lot of brackets are there. Then what to do? We know simply bracket is having topmost priority. Our rule of board mass is like this: B O D M A S. Our rule of board mass is this: bracket is having topmost priority. After then order, division, multiplication, same priority. Whichever is coming on left, solve that first. Addition, subtraction, same priority. Whichever is coming on left, solve that first. But in the case of bracket, what to do? If there may be two brackets, one is coming on the left, one is coming on the right, you may solve it's on the priority that leftmost we have to solve first. Like suppose the example is 7 plus 5 divided by 4 minus 1. Then there are two brackets, so you will solve the both of the brackets are having same priority, so we will solve the leftmost bracket first. So it will be 7 plus 5 12 divided by 4 minus 1, which is equals to 12 divided by 4 minus 1 is equals to, once again bracket is having higher priority than division, so we will solve bracket first. 4 minus 1 3, so that is 4. So it is clear that if there are two brackets, then leftmost bracket we will solve first. But what if there is nesting of bracket? Nesting of bracket means bracket within bracket. Means suppose the example is 8 plus into the bracket 2 plus 3 minus 4 into 5. And what we have to do if there is nesting of bracket? Nesting of bracket means bracket within bracket. See, here is outside one bracket, in that bracket there is another bracket, right? So it's not the simply case as one bracket is on the left and one bracket is on the right. Brackets are inside the bracket. Then what to do? In this case the inner bracket is having topmost priority, right? So we have to solve the inner bracket. So among this is the outer bracket, opening here, closing here, but this is the inner bracket, right? So we have to solve the inner bracket first. Clear? So this operation is equals to 8 plus outer bracket till we have not solved, so it will be as it is 2 plus 3 minus 4 into 5 20. Okay, so automatically inner bracket is removed and only one bracket is remained. So whenever there is nesting of brackets, we have to solve the innermost bracket first. So this operation simply will be equals to 8 plus, now here simply addition, subtraction. Leftmost we will do first, 5 minus 20, which is equals to 8 plus, now 5 minus 20 is equals to minus 15. Friends, why I have written minus 15? I said that if there is only one number, then we have to remove the bracket. Directly write that number, but here the number is negative, so it's not coming alone. It's coming with symbol. Normally positive symbol we don't write, so we are directly taking it out of the bracket. So number is negative, so I have written in the bracket. That is one more thing to remember. If negative number is there, please keep it in the bracket until we are not removing that bracket finally. Now this bracket removal, I hope you are much aware since last standard and third lesson of this standard also. How to remove the bracket? Plus minus, minus. Minus is the symbol in the case of bracket removal of the number inside the bracket. So it will be 8 minus 15. Here I have removed the bracket. So again, which is equals to 8 minus 15 minus 7 is the answer of this. So moral of the story, before solving this example, please remember two things. First thing, wherever there is nesting of bracket, solve the innermost bracket first. Second thing, if the bracket separately coming on left and right, then give the topmost priority to the leftmost bracket. Okay? And one bonus tip, if negative is your answer, please keep in the bracket before completely removing the bracket. Okay, that we'll see. So our example is 2 into 25 into lot of brackets. Okay, now let us scan the example and see the inner, try to find out the innermost bracket. See, this bracket is opening here, curly braces is opening here and closing here, right? This square bracket is opening here, closing here. Now this angular bracket opening here and closing here. So this bracket is inside the square bracket which is inside it, the curly braces, as well as this bracket is also opening here and closing here. Means these two brackets are the innermost brackets, first thing, as well as this bracket is on the left and this bracket is on the right. So we have to solve this innermost bracket first. Are you getting it, students? This is the innermost bracket because there is not any other bracket within this bracket. This is also innermost bracket because there is not any other bracket in this bracket. Whereas in this bracket there are two brackets. In this bracket there is this square bracket. Among this there are two brackets. Okay, so please remember that the symbol of the brackets doesn't matter, their position matters. Innermost bracket we have to solve first. So innermost, there are two pair of brackets. Among this, now we have to solve the leftmost first. So let's go. We are going to solve this one. So remaining everything we have to keep as it is. So the question is equals to 2 multiplied by curly braces 25 into curly braces 25 multiplied by into square bracket 113 minus 9 is equals to 104. Positive, so directly we can take it out of the bracket. 104, only one number is there, hence plus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 13, bracket completed, square bracket completed, curly braces completed. Clear? This 2 which is out of the bracket, so according to BODMAS it is going to remain till the final step. So now once again we have to apply BODMAS rule here. According to BODMAS, we have to solve the innermost bracket, that is this one. So let's solve this one. Okay, now we are going to solve this one. So let's write remaining as it is 2 multiplied by 25 in the curly braces into square bracket 104 plus. While solving this bracket, you will see there is one operation at division, one is of multiplication. Both are having same priority, DM. But division is on the left hand side, so we have to solve division first. So 4 divided by 2, 2. Now in bracket there are two numbers, 2, answer of this which is 2 multiplied by 30. Means in bracket there are two numbers, one operation is remained. One operation is remained, hence we have not removed the bracket. Either operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division or bracket removal is remained, then don't remove the bracket. The tip to keep the bracket or remove the bracket: if operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division is yet not finished, then keep the bracket. Clear? So here multiplication is not finished, hence I am keeping the bracket. So after this square bracket is closing, close it. After this square bracket, this curly brace I have to close it. Once again here, to each and every step we have to apply the BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS, this bracket we have to solve first, 2 into 13. So let's write remaining operations as it is: 2 multiplied by into the curly braces 25 multiplied by into the square bracket 104 plus 2 into 13, 26. Directly write plus 26. Hence this bracket is vanished. Which brackets remain? Square and curly braces. Now again on this step also I have to apply BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS, this square bracket is the innermost bracket, so that we have to solve first. So what will be our operation? 2 into the curly braces 25 multiplied by 104 plus 26 is equals to 130. Okay, only one number, that is also positive, so this bracket is removed. curly braces. Again, according to BODMAS, we have to do operation in the bracket first, that is multiplication. 25 into 130. So 2 multiplied by 25 zeros are 0, 25 threes are 75, 7 is the remainder, 25 ones are 25 plus 7, 32. Okay, 2 into 3250, which is equals to, now 2 multiplied by this, which is equals to 6500. Clear friends? I hope you are getting it. So what we learned in this video, if there are two brackets, one is completely on the left, one is completely on the right, solve the leftmost bracket first, as we did here. If there is nesting of brackets, then solve the innermost bracket first, as we did in rest of the steps. Clear? Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.